The enchanting Pieris Cavatine, a gardener's delight. For years, I've been on a quest to find low-maintenance, year-round beauty for my garden. Enter the Pieris Cavatine, a dwarf evergreen shrub that has stolen a permanent spot in my heart and landscaping. This little gem boasts a captivating combination of delicate flowers, lush foliage, and a compact form, making it a true standout. But before I delve into the world of Pieris Cavatine, let's address a crucial question for pet owners like myself. Are Pieris Cavatine safe for dogs? Unfortunately, Pieris Cavatine, like many other members of the Ericaceae family, which includes azaleas and rhododendrons, contains toxins that can be harmful to dogs if ingested. These toxins can cause vomiting, diarrhea, drooling, and weakness. So, if you have a curious canine companion, planting Pieris Cavatine in a dog-inaccessible area or opting for a different variety altogether might be the safer option. Now, back to the charm of this delightful shrub. What is Pieris Cavatine? Pieris Cavatine, a cultivar of Pieris japonica, Japanese Andromeda, is a dwarf variety prized for its manageable size and stunning aesthetics. Unlike its taller cousins, Cavatine stays compact, reaching a mature height of only 2 to 4 feet. This makes it perfect for smaller gardens, foundation plantings, or even container gardening. Unveiling the allure, springtime spectacle. The true magic of Pieris Cavatine unfolds in the spring. The shrub comes alive with a profusion of dainty, white, bell-shaped flowers clustered along its branches. These delicate blooms, reminiscent of lily of the valley, create a captivating display that adds a touch of elegance to any landscape. The emerging flower buds, a charming shade of pale green, add another layer of interest even before the blooms unfurl. Enduring beauty beyond spring. But Pieris Cavatine's appeal extends far beyond the fleeting beauty of spring. This little shrub is an evergreen, meaning it retains its glossy, dark green foliage throughout the year. This vibrant green foliage provides a welcome pop of color in the winter months, adding much-needed life to the often bare landscape. How to care for Pieris Cavatine. One of the most endearing aspects of Pieris Cavatine is its low-maintenance nature. This little shrub thrives with minimal effort, making it ideal for busy gardeners like myself. It prefers well-drained, acidic soil and appreciates a location with morning sun and afternoon shade. Regular watering, especially during the first year after planting, is crucial for its establishment. However, once established, Pieris Cavatine is quite drought-tolerant. In terms of pruning, Cavatine requires minimal intervention. Its naturally compact form means you can usually forego any major pruning. However, if you want to maintain a specific shape or remove any dead or diseased branches, light pruning after flowering is recommended. How to propagate Pieris Cavatine. If you're smitten with Pieris Cavatine and want to share its charm with other parts of your garden, propagation is a viable option. There are 2 main methods for propagating Pieris Cavatine: softwood cuttings and layering. Softwood cuttings, taken in early summer from new growth, offer a quicker way to establish new plants. Layering, on the other hand, involves encouraging a low-lying branch to root while still attached to the parent plant before severing it later. What to plant with Pieris Cavatine? Pieris Cavatine's versatility allows it to shine in various garden settings. Here are some ideas for companion plants. Spring bulbs. Early blooming bulbs like daffodils or tulips can create a delightful contrast with the white flowers of Pieris Cavatine. Hostas. Hostas, with their large, textural foliage, add a touch of drama and complement the glossy green leaves of Pieris Cavatine. Ferns. Ferns, with their delicate fronds, create a natural and calming synergy with Pieris Cavatine. Heucheras. Heucheras, with their vibrant foliage in various shades, add a pop of color and texture to the composition. With its captivating blooms, enduring foliage, and compact form, Pieris Cavatine offers a wealth of benefits to gardeners. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or a gardening novice, this low-maintenance shrub is sure to add a touch of year-round beauty to your outdoor haven.